Do you know the item?
There it goes.
You're gonna try it.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Let me see where his.
Alright, turn around so it's a better picture.
Give it 50.
Yep.
Give it 50.
Yeah, there you go. Happy birthday.
Alright.
Ready? Alright, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday back at Jim.
For Jim and Matt.
Happy birthday to me. Alright, I'll get it again. Oh, good job.
Oh.
It's harder when you get older.
No.
See, the older you get. I don't know if he's ever gonna get a wish. He can't get his candles.
Got that one.
Alright.
No, don't.
Did you make a wish?
Yes.
I was not going to come through anyway. I don't know what you're doing.
Alright, we'll go down.
Because he's in Walmart.
He did.
Find him.
Mm-hmm.